If you're in need of a reliable replacement for your vehicle's windshield wiper linkage bushing, this automotive replacement part is an excellent choice. Designed to match the fit and function of the original part, this high-quality bushing ensures optimal performance and longevity for your wiper system. Made from durable materials, it's engineered to handle the demands of your vehicle and provide a smooth, efficient operation of your wipers. With dimensions of 8.382 lx 4.064 hx 6.096 wcm and a lightweight package of just 0.6 pounds, this part is compact and easy to handle. It's an ideal solution for maintaining your vehicle's wiper system without the high cost of original parts. Installation is simple, and it provides a long-lasting solution for your wiper arms, so you can keep your windshield clear and drive safely. A top reviewer shared their experience, stating that it worked great on their 1972 Dodge Dart wiper arms. They also noted the importance of paying attention to the orientation of the bushings during installation. Using grease can assist with the snap-in process, but once in place, the bushings can't be removed without damage. Upgrade your vehicle's windshield wiper system with this reliable bushing for smooth, uninterrupted performance. Check the fitment for your vehicle model before purchase and click the link in the description to buy today.